How amazing. The setup changed again.
Like seriously, my phone's not even on a stand, and I'm not sitting in a chair anymore. I'm just standing. You really thought I'd show you a picture of my feet.
Anyways, I've been postponing this video for 2 whole years. This is my conclusive review of the Beats Flex. First of all, the unboxing experience. It is exactly what you'd expect from a $70 Apple product. You're not going to get the most fancy unboxing that you've been waiting your entire life to experience. Okay, just look at the difference. These are the $250 Power Beats Pro. It's fancy. Now these are the Beats Flex. They have a little flap. You just pull everything out. But you do get 3 different sizes of ear tips. You get a USB-C to USB-C cable. Yes, these have USB-C. And an instruction manual, so I guess it's not all that bad. Now, after you unbox the Beats Flex, you're going to look at the design. And the design, well, I mean, it's not all that great. You may even say that it's old school. Like, this wire stretches the entire length of Russia. You get 2 modules for all your controls, no touch controls, only buttons, and no secure fit mechanism. There's nothing here. It just goes into your ear, and you hope that it stays there. Now, after you admire, or maybe not admire, your new Beats Flex, you're going to try setting them up. So to turn them on, you go to the right module here, and you press this power button for 1 second. And because these are equipped with a W1 chip, you'll get that same AirPods type pop-up on your iPhone or iPad. So, pretty cool. Okay, steps 1, 2, and 3 are done. Now you're going to put these on, open up your music app, and try listening to some music. And how's the sound quality? It's what you'd expect from $70 Apple products. Or Beats for that matter. You see, back in the day, Beats was a company that made headphones with a ton of bass, because us humans are wired to think that more bass equals better, yay! Well, that's not exactly the case. If you have too much bass, that can be a bad thing. And these Beats Flex have too much bass. They are okay in the mids and the highs, but the bass is definitely overpowered, and that is a bad thing. Now, I would go as far as to say that in an indoor environment where there's barely any noise, the bass won't be good. But in an outdoor environment, maybe like a car, or a train, or a bus, or an aircraft, the bass can do you pretty well. And just to get it out of the way, audiophiles, you will not get away with spending $70 on Beats earphones. These are not good for you. Oh yeah, they also have the little magnetic auto play pause thing. So after you're done listening to some music, you go to the settings app and check out a couple of the features. There's probably like 1, 2, 3 toggles, not much room for customization, apart from everything that is standard on every single Bluetooth earphone. Oh yeah, and if you're wondering about software updates, you're not getting any of them. I've had these for 2 years. I haven't received a single firmware update. And that's all I have to say about the Beats Flex. If you're planning on buying these for a child with Apple products, I'd say these are fine. These are fine for them. But if you're planning on buying these for yourself, I'd steer clear. You could easily spend just $30 more and get a pair of Power Beats on Amazon, which have a newer chip, they have a more royal unboxing experience, they have more features, and a secure fit mechanism. Yay! Okay, so I guess that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please consider liking and subscribing, and also comment down below what you thought, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye! Little throwback to that unboxing video, if you remember. Okay, bye.
I won't let you get away with this, robot man.